Speak every day, even if it is broken English. Broken English is better than silent English. I go market yesterday. That is okay. You are speaking. Slowly it will become I went to the market yesterday. Growth is happening. Let me give up a simple example of progress. Day 1, I go school. Day 10, I go to school. Day 30, I go to school every day. Day 60, I go to school every day because I want to learn. See the difference. Step by step. No pressure. Just progress. Do not run. Walk. But do not stop. Your voice matters. Your thoughts matters. English is just a tool to express that. So start today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today, speak one sentence, then another, and one day, without realizing, you will be fluent. Not perfect, but confident. And confidence is more powerful than perfection. Keep going, keep speaking, keep believing. Your journey has already begun. And when your journey begins, something very quiet but very powerful starts changing inside you. At first, you don't notice it. It is not loud, it is not dramatic, it is small, it is subtitle, but it is real. One day, you will say a sentence without thinking, just naturally. I understand. And you will pause a moment and realize you did not translate, you did not struggle. It just come out. That is your first victory. Do not ignore these small victories. Celebrate them because fluency is not built in one big moment. It is built in hundreds of small moments like this. Now, let's move forward together. You must learn to connect sentences. Speaking fluently is not about speaking one sentence, it is about thinking your thoughts. Start with simple connectors. And, but, because, for example, I am tired, but I will work. I am learning English because I want a better future. I like tea and I like coffee. These small connectors make your speech longer, smoother, more natural. Practice them daily. Now, let's go deeper. Start describing your day in English. Keep it simple. I woke up at 7. I brushed my teeth. I ate breakfast. I went outside. I talked to my friend. Do this every day. Even if your sentences are small, even if they are not perfect, these habits will slowly build your confidence. And then comes a powerful step. Ask yourself questions in English. What am I doing? Why am I learning English? What do I want in life? And then answer those questions. I am learning English to grow. I want to because confidence. I want to speak without fear. When you start asking and answering, your mind becomes active in English. This is how fluency grows from inside. Now listen carefully. There will be days when you feel stuck, days when you feel like improving, days when words do not come out. Do not panic. This is part of the progress. Learning is not a straight line. Sometimes you move fast, sometimes you feel slow, but every step counts. One those days, go back to basics. Listen more. Speak small sentences. Do not quit, because quieting is the only real failure. Now, let me tell you something very honest. Many people understand English, but they cannot speak. Why? Because they are afraid of judgment. They think, what if I say something wrong? They think, what if people laugh? Let me ask you something. If a young child makes a mistake while learning, do you laugh at that child? No. You smile. You encourage. So, why are you so hard on yourself? You are learning. You are allowed to make mistakes. Change your mindset. Listen, instead of saying I am afraid to speak, say I am learning to speak. That small change will change everything. Now let's take another step. Start telling Short stories. Very simple stories. Yesterday, I went to the market. I saw many people. I bought some fruits. Then I came home. That's it. Simple but powerful. Storytelling improves your fluency because it connects ideas. It teaches your flow, and then slowly you can make your stories longer. Yesterday, I went to the market because I need fruit. I saw many people and the place was very crowded. I bought apples and bananas. Then I came home and felt happy. See the difference step by step. Now let's talk about pronunciation. Do not try to sound like someone else. Do not try to copy an accent perfectly. Focus on being clear. Say words slowly. Open your mouth. Let the sound come out. For example, not gonna. In the beginning, say going to. Not wanna. Say want to. Clarity first. Style later. Now let me give you a small daily practice. Pick one topic. For example, food. Speak for 1 minute. I like food. I like rice. I eat rice every day. My favorite food is biryani. I eat it. My family. Next day, pick another topic. Family. My family is important to me. I love my parents. I spend time with them. This 1 minute practice is very powerful. It builds fluency slowly. Now let's talk about listening again. But this time, listen actively. Do not just hear. Focus. Listen to a sentence and pause. Repeat it. Try to copy the tone. For example, I will not give up. Say it begin. I will not give up. Feel the emotion. Language is not only words, it is feeling. Now, here is another important truth. You do not need too many resources. You need discipline. One video, one lesson, one practice. That is enough if you do it daily. Many people collect content. They watch many videos, but they do not practice. That is why they do not improve. Do not collect, apply. Now let's move to confidence. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes after speaking. You speak first. You feel confident later. So do not wait to feel ready. Start even when you feel nervous. Your voice may shake. That is okay. Say the sentences anyway. I am learning. I am trying. I will improve. Now imagine yourself 6 months from today. If you practice daily, if you follow these steps, you will not be the same person. You will understand more. You will speak more. You will feel more confident. But if you do nothing, if you keep waiting, nothing will change. Time will pass anyway. The question is, will you grow with time? Now, let me remind you again, fluency is not perfection. Even people who speak English every day make mistakes, but they keep speaking. That is the difference. So speak, even if it is not perfect. Speak when you are alone. Speak when you are with friends. Speak when you are scared. Because every time you speak, you are breaking your fear. And every time break your fear, you are building your future. Now take a deep breath and say this with me. I am not afraid. I am learning every day. I will speak English fluently again. I am not afraid. I am learning every day. I will speak English fluently. Hold these words inside you because your belief will guide your actions and your actions will create your results. So keep going step by step, word by word, sentence by sentence. And one day you will not remember when it becomes easy. You will just speak naturally, confidently, fluently. And when that day comes, you will smile and realize you did not just learn a language, you transformed yourself.